Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back to share with you guys some happy mail that I received. I won a giveaway, guys, and I will link her information down below, but it's from Sweetgirlythings here on YouTube, and she's super sweet. She notified me and let me know that I won her giveaway, and this was around about the time when I went out of town. So I was super excited. So thank you so much, Tiffany. Thank you so much. She sent me this card. Look how cute the card is, guys. It says hello there. And it has these little donuts and this little coffee cup, which is super cute. And she did an embossing back here. She did this layer and it says hello there. She wrote me a note on the inside, and she also has a handmade by Tiffany stamp, which is super cute. I keep saying the same thing, that I have literally lost my stamp like this that had my name on it. I've had it for years, and with me moving my craft room around and not having a craft room and all that stuff, I cannot figure out for the life of me what I did with my handmade stamp. But I really like this one. Mine's had a fairy on the side of it, but I like this one because you could use this, you know, all the time, and like even if things kind of go out of style, or if you don't like your image that you have on there anymore, you know, this one is perfect. So I really like that. So you have to tell me where you got that made so I can get myself one as well. So let me show you guys the things that she sent. I have not opened it up. All I did was just take the package out of the envelope, and this is how it looks. It's super pretty with this purple tissue paper, and she has washi tape holding it together. So I will share with you guys what she sent. Oh my gosh, some cutesy cute things. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So it was all like unicorn theme, which was so cool because I love unicorns. This one says, play with fairies, swim with mermaids, ride a unicorn, and always chase rainbows. And I don't think I picked this up, so that is great. I love it. I love these little hearts right here too, and a little unicorn. So cute. You can actually use these to make like background paper and stuff. So that's really, really cute. She also sent me this really cute teeny tiny butterfly by Knockouts. Really cute. This embossing folder, and I actually purchased this, so I will put the one that I purchased in my giveaway pile, and then I'll keep the one that she gave me because it's super cute. And it also comes with a stamp. Very, very cute. Love that. And I also have this one, so I will gift this one because I've used mine, and my unicorn is all, you know, inked up and stuff because I've used it a couple different times. But this is super cute, so thank you so much for sending that. Oh no, I also have this. I was gifted this by my friend Judy. I believe it was Judy that gifted me one of these, and then now she sent me one. And so I am all bowled up. Very, very cute. So thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh, girl, now this I don't have. Oh my gosh, this is by Pink Fresh Studio, and she sent me the unicorn set. How cute is that? I love it. Thank you. And I also have the unicorn stamp set. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Thank you so much. I don't have either one of these, so thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Thank you. Oh my gosh. And then she sent me the stencil. This was an awesome prize pack. Oh my gosh. And these stencils are so cute. It has the little unicorns on it. So pretty. And then she sent me the paper, and I did not pick up the paper. And this is by Craftsmith, I believe it is. Well, anyway, it's a really, really pretty unicorn and mermaid paper. And I'm sure you guys have seen this paper before, but I will do my best to do a little flip through. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, Tiffany. Thank you so much. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, and look at the little mermaid. So cute. This was an awesome, awesome prize pack. Thank you so much for everything. And like I said, I'm going to leave her information down below just in case you don't know who Tiffany is. And I would love it if you guys will go over and check out her channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribers already, and just follow her on her channel because she does some amazing crafts and she is super sweet. So thank you so much for this, Tiff. Now I'm going to share with you guys really quickly just a few things that I picked up from Aliexpress. I picked up this Fashion Girl, and I also have one more coming, but she hasn't come yet. But I just thought she was so super duper cute. So I picked up this stamp set. I also picked up my first pack of these bowls, guys. I've been gifted some of these bowls for a long time, and I never was able to find any of these myself until I was looking on, oh gosh, I don't know, something is sticking to my hand, but look how pretty they are. And so I just got the multicolor pack of them, and they are super duper pretty. Oh my gosh, I love them. So I can't remember how many I picked up, maybe 20 in a pack. But you know, if you guys need the information on that, something will not leave me alone. It's like literally sticking. I think it's like glue or something, but I will leave the information down below if you're looking for this, or you can just comment down below and I will give you the seller where I got this as well as a stamp. Also, I picked up these little poppers, and these are like, you know, the push-up pop type things. I found them on AliExpress, and I want to say these were like $3 and some change, and I picked up 10 of them, and I thought they were super cool because I saw a project, and I will link her channel down below. I can't really recall the name of her channel, Solange something, I think. Well, anyway, I will definitely leave her information down below. She made the cutest little confetti poppers, and I fell in love with them. And I think she picked up hers from Amazon, but I found these on AliExpress for a very good price, and they came super quick. So if you guys are interested in that, I will link it in the comment section, or either, you know, just comment and I'll give you the seller for that one as well. And then last but not least, I just want to share with you guys these unicorn pins that I was able to pick up when I went to go and pick up my girls' things from school. And so they're super cute, and these were at the Dollar Tree, and I just thought they were so pretty. So I got one of the blue, and I got two of the mint, and then I got two of the pink. And so they're kind of like the little bobble type pins, but they're really, really cute. And they have this boa stuff on there as well. And then this is how it looks at the bottom. It's kind of like one of those crystal twist type pins, and it has a little cap on there. And I just thought it was really cute. So I went on and picked up 5 of these while I saw them, because you guys know if you don't pick up things when you see them, especially at the Dollar Tree Tuesday morning, places like that, then they will definitely not have them when you go back, and you'll be sad. So don't be sad and go ahead and pick up things. So that is about it, guys. That is all that I had to share with you guys. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, just link them down below or put them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Thanks again, Tiff. Bye.